aim high. What do we mean? And I will read. At Janssen, continuous manufacturing will be the default platform for development of all our new oral solid dosage products. It's our vision to develop and launch our entire future portfolio on CM. This is, of course, very bold and ambitious and clearly also aspirational vision, but it really set the scene as confirmed, as stated by our Janssen SLT, across R&D and the commercial operations organization. This is a vision where it all starts from. The next step is, of course, translating the vision into a more realistic strategy. And the strategy is built on two components, on a what and on a how component. Because clearly the entire portfolio, we all understand this is not realistic. So it goes to where do you accept outliers on the vision we put forward. And looking into that, we clearly aligned as a strategy that we aim for all monolithic tablets, excluding our most potent products for very specific reasons. And looking to that part of the portfolio, we still aim for above 70% of our portfolio to be brought on continuous manufacturing, which is very much in line with the numbers you hear in other presentations from other companies. How do we want to be successful is, and we have been sharing that before as well, is by installing what we call our mirror platform. Two identical continuous manufacturing lines, one in our R&D pilot plant, one in our operations site, really with the focus to minimize tech transfer activities, to accelerate development and to accelerate launch. And then look, post-approval, how can we manage transfers to other continuous manufacturing lines, not on a mirror platform, to secure supplies.